As you know, my country, the Netherlands, is situated in a fragile delta environment, and we don't have any natural resources. But that environment made us collaborative. It made us pragmatic, learning by doing, and it made us innovative. And for textile, that means we have lots of solutions based on bio-based materials, new business models, but also new recycling technologies. So we are more than happy to facilitate the event, and we see lots of opportunities to scale up a circular fashion industry. There's potential for upscaling circular business models. There's potential for slow fashion initiatives. We can boost transparency within the value chain. We can develop new recycling technologies and make sure that we can reduce the fibers coming out of the recycling.
We are North Rhine-Westphalia. We are very happy to meet you. Based on a long textile tradition, we can get you in touch with people from all around the textile value chain, be it machine producers, yarn suppliers, or maybe even a fabric expert. Next to that, we do not only host the largest number of textile-oriented research institutions in all of Germany, but the largest number of research institutions at all. So whatever your ideas are, we are very happy to get in contact with you and make them a reality. Our newest idea and our newest approach to textiles is the topic of recyclability and circularity. We realized this within the innovation network of RenewTex, which will be shown to you later. So we are very happy to get to know you and looking forward to our discussion.
Our revolutionary concept is that we are converting the textile industry to circularity. We help our customers, which are retailers and brands, to develop and manufacture fully circular textile products. We certify international supply chains, so we help factories convert their production to circularity. And finally, our core innovation is the development of fully biodegradable textile synthetic fibers, which are cradle-to-cradle gold certified. We believe that now is the right time to implement the circular economy in the world, but especially in Europe, where the framework is probably the best right now in the world.
Did you know that over 70% of a garment's environmental impact happens during the production? Unfortunately, Europe alone wastes over 2 million tons of unused clothes each year. We at Hack Your Closet are committed to help the industry reduce and prevent waste for the future. Hack Your Closet joined forces together with clothing brands and other industry players and made a pledge to the environment. They give us access to existing stocks of unused items and let us give them another chance. Our team is dedicated to limiting and neutralizing the impact of those garments. We do so by building collaborative closets around Europe. Every month, beautiful and unused garments are being selected and shipped for our customers. The more uses we can give to an item, the better. So, after 4 weeks of maximum use and some fun, the clothes are sent back to us, washed, maintained, and shipped to the next customer. Together, we create a positive impact for the clothing industry.
Sustainability for us is a core business. We base our way of doing business in 3 questions. One is what material is made our clothing. Second is who is behind that production, if we pay fair wages and as well we respect human rights. And the third one is what's going to happen with the clothing at the end of life. And in that case, we have an eco-design mindset and as well we collect the garden at the end of life. To summarize what we do in circular ethical workwear, we could say is recycle, social impact, and zero waste. About the small and medium enterprises, and I think no matter the size of your company or in which moment you are right now, I think if you have a great value proposition, you will be very successful, especially and focusing in the positive impact you can make in the environmental and as well in the social impact you can make in people's life.
The textile industry is one of the most polluting industries in the world. It requires a significant amount of water and chemicals to dye fabrics. DYCO decided not to focus on using less water and chemicals, but we decided to focus on not using any water and chemicals at all. DYCO successfully developed and commercialized the first waterless and chemical-free dyeing process for polyester. Our technology is based on supercritical CO2, which is used in a closed-loop system and is fully recyclable. A key part of a successful circular economy is not only to focus on the material side, but also on the processing side. To be successful as a circular economy, you need to focus on sustainable and clean processing technologies, and in this case, DYCO makes a significant contribution to that in the textile industry.
If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. Collaboration is key. Well, we are looking forward to share our best practices with you, our expertise, raise awareness, encourage collective action.